So I'm trying to annoy my customers because I hate them. Why do I hate my customers? Because they're so good to me. And I've decided to do like 3 lip balms for my 3 customers who ordered a week from me. And the purpose is trying to annoy them because I hate them. And I want to make this lip balm so when they put on their wigs, they're going to look so beautiful and their lips are going to be soft and supple. That's what I do for customers I don't like. So that's my beeswax. I'm going to be using beeswax for this production, and that's the white one. I've already like chopped them up so I can use them. So let's watch. And that's another beeswax. So if you go to the market and you see this one, do not think it's not nice. It's also nice, but it's a brown one, and the other one is just white. Yeah, beeswax. So just watch as I go ahead and do this lip balm to put inside your package to annoy them. So I'm just going to pour my beeswax. That's 1 cup of beeswax, and I'm going to be using olive oil for this production. You can use any other oils. This is the one I had at home. You can use moisturizing oils that you know are going to be nice. Your preference though. I'm going to be using olive oil, and for a cup of the beeswax, I'm going to be using 2 cups of olive oil, and I'm going to use half a cup of my cocoa butter. You can as well use shea butter. My kids are making noise. Can you imagine? It's late at night and I thought I was going to have time to do this video without getting any noise, but kids will be kids. You can't force them to do anything. So that's it. I'll just go ahead and pour everything inside my, as you can see, like you all are not blind. I don't even know why I'm explaining everything, but that's it. Yeah. And next thing, just pop it into your microwave. You can use a double boiler if you don't have a microwave. But I was trying to do this fast, so go ahead and set it so that everything can melt and gel together. And we are here, and I just wanted to tint it a little bit. I didn't have, see, the best thing to use is lipstick. You can use lipstick, or you can use your coloring, any other color of your choice. You can go ahead and you can use it to like tint it any color that you like. But I didn't have red lipstick, so I used my eyeshadow palette, and that was a mistake I made. And just adding my flavoring oil, I used which flavoring oil did I use again? I used pineapple. My brain is freezing. Okay, I used pineapple, and you can pop it again into the microwave for it to melt, and then just go ahead and pour it into your cups and allow it to rest. And voila, you see what I was talking about. I made a mistake using my eyeshadow palette, but that's a result. That's a lip balm. It's so moisturizing. Your lips will just feel soft and nice. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.